Hello, in front of me I've got RAM 1500. In this video I'll show you how to connect smartphone with car via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth. Now go to Device Manager. To go to Device Manager, tap this button and go to Device Manager. Now, tap this button next to your smartphone to enter Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Then you have to confirm the connection on your smartphone. And it's done. Thanks to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use Maps, YouTube Music, phone calls, Assistant. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow there'll be light rain, with a high of 21 and a low of 8.
Next, you can use more apps. And to leave screencasting, select Reconnect. To enter it back, again press this button. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.